We're filming this shit, man.
Still, that's really it.
They didn't steal
You know,
anything.
in
They
Massachusetts.
didn't steal anything. Come on, let's not start.
You were walking that 400 and then what the hell is you doing? What the fuck? Man, these ain't much, but the other motherfucker. Damn, maintain fucking lane now.
Yourself for is something else. So I don't think that you'll ever be happy.
Why you park so close? Shit.
Keep right on Georgia 60 East.
You ain't even got no lights on. Goddamn, the fuck? It must be a goddamn murder. That's not even a lane. That's your yard? God damn.
Hard then turn right.
God damn. Son of a bitch. Out on my head. You taking man tonight. You taking man tonight. Oh, God damn. How many folks involved? I know your friends. One on the truck. Hey. That's on my head. Are we going out the light or are we going to what? Not going like that. Damn. Knock on my head. Are we gonna go or what? Damn.
In 0.3 miles, turn right on Virgie Valentine Drive.
This damn show is a crash. Damn. They got one over there on the side. Damn, buddy. Turn your headlights on, but your back lights on.